Chapter 10.2 Controlling Car in Pygame 0. 5. How to detect collision.
How can I detect collisions between cars?
You can detect collision between cars using the Collide Direct method. The Collide Direct method can determine if two actors are in collision. At first, we need to save the image of the blue car in the image folder. Let's write the code.
What does this status mean?
Status 0 means the car is not in a collision. Status 1 draws the text crash when cars collide with each other. This code specifies the position, color, and size of the text to be displayed when a car collides.
What does the code in the update function mean?
This code moves the car up, down, left, and right with the keyboard. This code means that if the red car collides with the blue car, the status changes from 0 to 1. Let's run this code. The red car and blue car are drawn in the window. You can control the red car with the keyboard. When the red car collides with the blue car, the text crash is drawn.